How long can I stay on workers' compensation in Oklahoma? Suffering a workplace injury can turn your life upside down. Between the physical pain, the doctor's appointments, and the sudden inability to work, it is easy to feel overwhelmed. One of the most common questions we hear from work injury clients at Kania Law Office is, how long will my workers' compensation benefits last? The short answer is that it depends entirely on the severity of your injury and the type of benefits you are receiving. Oklahoma's workers' compensation laws have specific timelines and caps built into them. To help you understand what to expect, here is a breakdown of how long you can receive benefits under the Oklahoma Administrative Workers' Compensation Act. 1. Temporary Total Disability, TTD. If your injury temporarily prevents you from doing any work while you recover, you will likely receive Temporary Total Disability, TTD benefits. These payments replace a portion of your lost wages. However, they do not last forever. Standard injuries. For most injuries, you can receive TTD benefits for up to 156 weeks, roughly 3 years. Consequential injuries. If you suffer a new injury as a direct result of your original workplace injury, for example, you injure your good knee because you were overcompensating for your work-injured knee, the court may grant you an additional 52 weeks, bringing the maximum cap to 208 weeks. Soft tissue injuries. Oklahoma law places strict limits on soft tissue injuries, such as sprains, strains, contusions, and muscle tears. TTD for these injuries is generally capped at just 8 weeks, though you may be able to get an extension if you require surgery or injection therapy. Hernias. If you suffer a hernia on the job, TTD benefits are strictly limited to 6 weeks, regardless of how long you are actually out of work. 2. Permanent Total Disability, PTD. Unfortunately, some workplace accidents result in catastrophic injuries that prevent an employee from ever returning to the workforce. If you are deemed permanently and totally disabled, you are entitled to PTD benefits. Duration. PTD benefits can last for up to 15 years, or until you reach the age where you qualify for full Social Security retirement benefits, whichever period is longer. 3. Permanent Partial Disability, PPD. What happens if you physically recover as much as you can, but you are still left with a permanent limitation? If you can still work in some capacity, but your body isn't 100% what it used to be, you may qualify for Permanent Partial Disability, PPD. Duration. PPD is not an ongoing, indefinite wage replacement check. Instead, your doctor will give you an impairment rating, a percentage of disability. This rating corresponds to a state-mandated schedule that dictates a specific financial award or a set number of weeks of compensation. 4. Medical benefits. Your employer's workers' compensation insurance is responsible for covering all reasonable and necessary medical treatment related to your workplace injury. Duration. Your medical benefits continue until your treating physician determines that you have reached maximum medical improvement, MMI. MMI simply means your condition has stabilized and further medical treatment will not significantly improve your injury. Once you reach MMI or officially settle your claim, ongoing medical benefits typically come to an end, unless future medical care is specifically awarded or negotiated in your settlement. Don't navigate the workers' compensation system alone. Workers' compensation court and its laws in Oklahoma are complex, and insurance companies often try to cut off benefits prematurely. If you have been injured on the job, you need an experienced advocate in your corner to ensure you get every dollar and every week of treatment you are entitled to. At Kania Law Office, our experienced Tulsa workers' compensation attorneys know how to protect your rights. We will fight to maximize your benefits so you can focus on what matters most, your recovery. Contact Kania Law Office today at 918-743-2233 for a free consultation. Let our team evaluate your case and help you secure the compensation you deserve.